Have you ever wanted to create a sleek, multi-page website but didn't know where to start? Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that using Canva, step by step, in just a few minutes. Whether it's for a business, portfolio, or personal project, you'll see how easy it can be to bring your ideas online. First, open Canva. Don't have an account yet? Signing up is free and takes seconds. Once you're in, type website into the search bar on the homepage. You'll see a wide range of templates designed specifically for web pages. Each template varies in the number of pages, and by hovering over them, you can see exactly how many pages each includes. Perfect for choosing one that fits your vision. Found a template you like? Click Customize this template and let the fun begin. Canva's drag and drop interface makes personalizing every element simple. Change fonts, backgrounds, images, and layouts to match your style. Swap out placeholder text and images with your own content, or explore Canva's vast library of professional visuals. As you designed, remember that it's not just about looking good, it's about telling your story. Keep your messaging clear and engaging, and make sure each page flows smoothly to create a cohesive experience for your visitors. Once your design feels complete, scroll through each page to check for consistency and smooth navigation. When everything looks perfect, your multi-page website is ready to go live. With these steps, you've created a beautiful, fully personalized Canva website that's ready to showcase your content to the world. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy, creative tutorials that help you bring your ideas to life.